Crown shyness is a phenomenon observed in some tree species where the uppermost branches of trees avoid touching each other, forming a distinct gap or boundary between the crowns of adjacent trees. This results in a beautiful, puzzle-like pattern of gaps in the forest canopy when viewed from below. Causes of crown shyness. Several theories have been proposed to explain this phenomenon. 1. Physical contact and abrasion. The movement of tree branches in the wind can cause them to touch and abrade each other, damaging the tips of the branches. To avoid this, trees may grow in such a way that their branches do not touch, leading to crown shyness. 2. Light optimization. Trees may optimize their growth to maximize light absorption by ensuring their branches do not overlap with those of neighboring trees. This helps them efficiently capture sunlight without competing directly with adjacent trees. Pest and disease prevention. By maintaining a gap between their crowns, trees may reduce the spread of harmful pests and diseases that can easily move from one tree to another if their branches are touching. Chemical signaling. Some studies suggest that trees might use chemical signals to detect the presence of neighboring trees and adjust their growth patterns accordingly to avoid overlapping crowns. Examples of trees exhibiting crown shyness. Crown shyness is observed in various tree species around the world. Some notable examples include Dryobalanops aromatica, a tropical tree species in Southeast Asia, various species of eucalyptus in Australia, certain species of pine trees and camphor trees in Japan. Crown shyness is not just a fascinating natural phenomenon, but it also has significant ecological implications. By maintaining gaps between their canopies, trees can reduce the spread of harmful insects and diseases. This natural spacing allows for better light penetration and air circulation, promoting healthier forest ecosystems. In essence, crown shyness showcases the delicate balance and interdependence within nature, reminding us of the intricate connections that sustain life on our planet. Ecological balance. Crown shyness helps maintain a balanced forest ecosystem by reducing competition for sunlight and ensuring that lower vegetation receives adequate light. Aesthetic appeal. The distinctive patterns created by crown shyness add to the visual appeal of forests and are often admired by nature enthusiasts and photographers. Scientific interest. The phenomenon of crown shyness provides valuable insights into tree behavior, growth patterns, and the interactions between trees in a forest. Crown shyness is a fascinating natural occurrence that demonstrates the complex interactions between trees in a forest ecosystem. It showcases the remarkable ways in which trees adapt to their environment and coexist with their neighbors, maintaining both their health and the health of the forest as a whole.